to another roundup of what's happening on PHILDEN Street Yard. Today I'm just going to give you a brief walkthrough on some track maintenance I do to keep my track running in good condition, because anything like an exposed staging shelf here will attract dust. You need to keep it clean, or that dust equates to grime, dirt built up on not only a track but the wheels of your locomotives. And when you've got some DCC sound equipped locos, what that does is just cause them to conk out, and you've got to go through the whole sound startup process again. So I'll just give you a quick look at what I do to keep my staging shelf in clean condition. The layout here, as you can see, has a sheet of perspex that drops down. Effectively that keeps it all dust free, but it still needs every now and then a little bit of some maintenance. So I'll show you what I do just to keep it in good running condition. So what I like to do after I've cleaned the track with a track cleaning block, gone over and vacuumed up the crumbs of a vacuum cleaner, is grab one of these cotton tips, dip it in a little bit of isopropyl alcohol, or even the lens cleaner that I use for my glasses works out good. And what that does is just give like a little bit of a clean between places like here in the turnouts where the track cleaning block won't reach. As you can see, it picks up a little bit of junk there. Now that's all been removed from the track cleaning block, but don't ever think that that's enough to clean your track. The track cleaning block should only come out every now and then when it needs a really good spring clean, or if you've done some construction work like has been the case here recently. Otherwise, one of these dipped in some isopropyl alcohol and rubbed along the surface of the track, you'll see how much stuff you'll pick up. Now that saves that all getting on your locomotive wheels and does make it run a lot better. So there you have it. The track is all clean. We can now enjoy running some trains trouble-free, and perspex front back in there when I'm done, and that'll hopefully keep it dust-free till next time. In the meantime, I've got some other projects I'm going to get to. So until next time, cheers.